Kitchen wall hooks offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top kitchen wall hooks from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video.
Number 1.
Looking for a simple, space-saving solution to keep your home organized? Introducing the Adhesive wall hooks, heavy-duty, waterproof hooks designed to make hanging effortless and secure. These transparent utility hooks are perfect for any room, whether it's the bathroom, shower, kitchen, bedroom, or even outdoors. With their strong adhesive backing, they can hold towels, coats, keys, utensils, or decorations. No drilling, no nails, no mess. Just peel, stick, and you're ready to go. Made with high-quality, waterproof, and oil-resistant materials, these hooks stay firmly in place, even in steamy bathrooms or humid kitchens. Their clear, minimal design blends seamlessly with any decor, so you get strength without sacrificing style. Each pack includes 8 reusable hooks, giving you multiple options for organizing and maximizing your space. When it's time to remove or reposition them, they come off cleanly, without damaging walls or leaving sticky residue. Strong, versatile, and easy to use, these adhesive wall hooks are the ultimate solution for home improvement and everyday organization. Keep your essentials neatly in place anywhere you need them. Get your 8-pack of adhesive wall hooks today and make organizing simple, stylish, and stress-free.
Number 2.
Introducing the DDMY 24-pack heavy-duty adhesive wall hooks, the ultimate solution for your home and office organization needs. Each hook is built tough, holding up to 50 pounds with ease. From coats, bags, and towels to kitchen utensils, curtains, or even outdoor tools, these hooks are designed to keep everything securely in place. Made with transparent, waterproof, and oil-resistant material, they blend seamlessly with any decor and are perfect for use in bathrooms, kitchens, bedrooms, doors, or even outdoors. Rain, steam, or heat, these hooks stay strong. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel, stick, and hang. No nails, no screws, and no damage to your walls. And when you're ready to remove them, they come off cleanly and can even be reused. With 24 hooks in one pack, you'll have plenty for every corner of your home. Whether it's organizing your towels, hanging coats by the door, keeping kitchen tools handy, or managing decorations, DDMY adhesive hooks have you covered. Stop struggling with clutter and weak hangers. Choose the DDMY 24-pack adhesive wall hooks. Strong, stylish, waterproof, and damage-free. The perfect combination of power and convenience all in one hook.
Number 3.
Introducing the GLUIT adhesive wall hooks, the strong, simple, and damage-free solution for all your hanging needs. These heavy-duty hooks are designed to hold up to 22 pounds each, giving you the power to organize with confidence. Whether it's in your kitchen, bathroom, office, bedroom, or even outdoors, GLUIT hooks are built to last. Made with premium quality adhesive, these hooks stick firmly to a wide range of smooth surfaces, glass, tile, metal, wood, and more, without leaving holes, marks, or sticky residue when removed. Plus, they're waterproof and reusable, making them perfect for damp areas like bathrooms and kitchens. Hang towels, coats, bags, keys, utensils, or even decorative items with ease. With a transparent design, these hooks blend seamlessly into any decor, keeping your space neat, stylish, and clutter-free. And with this 12-pack set, you'll have plenty of hooks to get your home or office organized in no time.
Number 4.
Meet the Command Small Clear Wire Toggle Hooks. These versatile hooks are designed to make hanging, organizing, and storing effortless. With a sleek, clear design, they blend seamlessly into any room, whether it's your home, office, kitchen, or dorm. Each pack includes 10 hooks and 12 command strips, so you can get started right away. No tools, no nails, no mess. Simply peel, stick, and hang. And when you're ready to move or redecorate, they come off cleanly, leaving behind no holes, marks, or sticky residue. Perfect for renters or anyone who wants flexibility. Each hook holds up to half a pound, making them ideal for lightweight items like keys, jewelry, fairy lights, kitchen utensils, and more. Keep your space organized without sacrificing style. With command hooks, you don't just hang things, you create possibilities. Organize, decorate, and simplify your life with the Command Small Clear Wire Toggle Hooks.
Number 5.
Meet the DIY Mag Magnetic Hooks, your ultimate heavy-duty hanging solution. Each hook is built with powerful neodymium magnets that hold over 30 pounds of weight. That's strength you can rely on. Whether you're on a 2025 cruise cabin, setting up in your classroom, or keeping your kitchen, grill, or fridge neat, these hooks are a must-have. No drilling, no screws, no damage. Just place the hook on any magnetic surface and it's ready to work. Need extra space in your cabin? Hang hats, towels, bags, or decorations with ease. At home, use them on your refrigerator for utensils, keys, or even heavy pans. Going outdoors? They're perfect for hanging gear at the beach, camping, or tailgating. With a sleek, compact design, these hooks blend seamlessly into any environment while delivering maximum strength and versatility. And with 20 hooks in one pack, you'll have more than enough to organize every corner of your life. Take your organization to the next level with DIY Mag Magnetic Hooks, the heavy-duty, space-saving, travel-ready solution you didn't know you needed. Strong, simple, and built to last.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe at my channel.